Hey friends, so today we are gonna play Adopt Me. I was already playing this, so I'm just gonna leave this experience. And I'll see you there. Okay, so we're back and I created my own server in private, so no one will be featured inside this Adopt Me experience. I'm gonna show so far what my pets are and what they are basically. So yeah, as you can see, it's now loading, and the cursor has changed from last time I saw it. So far, it's I've done pretty good, and I've got new pets. So just this is my character, and here's all my pets. I know it's not really much. I only have 3, but that's it's still good. My favorite one is my Skelly Rex, which I got by trading my Frost Fury, Ride and Fly. Here's a look at it. I'm not trying to flex. I just want to show my pets to you. My favorite one is my dog, Marshy. I actually have a dog in real life that's also named Marshy, as you can see. And this is a neon ride fly dog. So I guess I'm gonna show you around my house. So far, this is the bathroom. And here is the dining room, where you can also make pizza, bagels, and you can also get water. I only have 308, but that's okay because I just bought a cracked egg. Here's the party room. And this is where you can swim. So if you go up, I'm gonna show you the pet room, baby room, and my room. Here's the pet room / baby room, pet section, and the baby section. And it's frozen. Here is my room. Forgot to put this poster up. And so far it's still in editing, as you can see. Still trying to edit it, but so far it's pretty good. Now I know this is a short video, but I just wanted to show my Roblox and my Adopt Me. Thank you so much for watching, it means a lot, and please consider to subscribe and like. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye friends!